In this video, we will learn how to change currency symbol in Google Sheet. So let's start. This is my Google Sheet. I just write here some numbers, some amounts, 2005, 3000, 4000 and 6000. Just I write here the amount column. Okay. If first select the data and you can see here the format as currency is available. If you click here, the dollar sign will add it. If you want to convert in rupees sign, you can see here more formats. Click on this 1 to 3. You get here option currency, custom currency. Just click on the custom currency. You can see here the number of currency available. If want to Indian, just enter the IND. To click on the Indian rupees and apply it. You can see here the Indian rupees symbol is added with the amounts. That's it. Hope you understand. If you like this, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.